Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something consistent effort builds long term success, not sometimes, but working regularly is important. Consistency increases skill and experience. Small, regular actions create big results. Those who stop halfway do not get results. Consistent people move forward over time. Daily discipline creates future success. Even if you move slowly, consistency makes goals possible. Consistency builds confidence. So, if you want success, stay consistent. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.